Inventory mismanagement can cost manufacturers immense time, resources, money, and customer trust. Manual inventory tracking, stock imbalances, emergency procurement, and lack of real-time visibility can lead to production delays, missed opportunities, and tons of chaos. With OmegaCube ERP's inventory management, you can turn things around for your enterprise for good. Get real-time visibility into inventory levels, material movements, consumption, and warehouse utilization. Automate reorders to reduce emergency procurement, track materials by batch or lot, reduce inventory carrying and aging costs. You can integrate OmegaCube ERP with various barcode and RFID applications and devices to improve efficiency during goods receiving, inventory movement, counting, picking, and shipping. Take quick, informed decisions with OmegaCube ERP's advanced inventory reports that include usage analysis, turnover rates, aging, slow-moving, and obsolete inventory. Stay lean, accurate, and efficient. With OmegaCube ERP, your inventory works for you, not against you. Transform your manufacturing operations with OmegaCube ERP. Book your free ERP demo today.